How I make Garri from scratch in the UK, like from cassava to Garri. I know a lot of people have been waiting for this video. Here it is. Okay, guys, for the ones where they actually forget the cassava, if you get your cassava for any local shop, even African shop, Indian shop, for any country when you dey, mostly those ones in the UK. That same day when I buy the cassava, I carry and reach house, peel them that same day, like remove the skin that same day. Because I hear under the comment section, someone say, why I no leave am to ferment? Cassava, why I want use to do Garri? Wetin wan ferment for? Now fufu I want use and do. The one for fufu, you can leave it for 7 days to ferment. Depends on the weather. Any day when it take ferment, you wash am, meaning say you don ready to turn to fufu. But the one for Garri, you no need to leave am to ferment. Garri is being made just 2 days. Like uproot am from ground, peel am that same day. You carry and go your NG blender that same day. You leave it after pressing overnight before frying, making 2 days. So leaving cassava that you want to turn to Garri for 7 days is something I never hear before. At this point, I don't blend am finish, turn am inside plate. I don't wash this my cotton very well, as I don't see chiffon cloth. If you have chiffon, you can use it, but if not, use any cotton. Make sure it's 100% cotton material, so that you're not going to pick cloth enter inside your Garri or fufu, whatever. So I don't wash this one very well. Make sure say they clean. Then I can pour all the blended cassava, pour them inside the cloth when I don't wash finish. At this point, I just spread that way so that I don't go feel splash the body, because I don't want waste any single cassava for inside this Garri when I want make. So I don't pour and finish. Then use style remove the water by twisting it together or winding it together. Anyone shall work. Shall remove plenty water first before you carry anything where you want put on top, make it the remaining water drink come out. At this point, I don't put them for this part of my sink so that I go to drain the enter inside. After I don't press and finish like this my washing hand, or this my turnable train get small hole for under, so I got to direct and enter my sink. They put nylon on top so that any dirty no go still enter inside the white cloth when I take put, and then carry this mortar on top. This one at the next day, if you check am now, e no dry well to pass through a sieve, because the mortar when I put on top, it roll comot, which I not check. Like this, if you put am for inside fry pan, everything go roll, it go comot for Garri enter quickly. So I need to leave and break and leave am for some hours. This one are hours later. Me looking at it, you see, so you don't over dry now if you pass through sieve. So this one I don't carry my ziggy horo come out when I go take fit and fit tie, but don't break am with my hand. Then put am for inside this my small sieve, then shake and make it pass through. Then the remaining ones when off it pass, use your hand take kakara, as my some people they call and say kakane guy me but that's way say it look like snow. It's falling down like snow.
Look, it's flowing.
It's nice.
Wow.
It's okay. I think I don't need your present right now. Even my boy self was enjoying it. As he want turn out to shy play, I better drive and make you go meet the papa before you go come pour my Garri for ground. Waiting I don't labor for. Anyway, at this point, I was just still doing it. I beg, if you don't fry Garri for village before, say hello with triple O under the comment section. So, guys, this is me. I'm done frying or filtering the Garri. So now to clear everywhere, ma forget space do my do. Wosu red oil. Oh boy, now, God. If you never tried this oil, go to their website and order for this red oil. Now, you'll come back and thank me later. Like anything when I just put, it just the overred. Using it for beans, the overred. So now we're using it for Garri. I don't by myself construct ugba. We call it ugba, like what you'll be using to turn it. You know, normally stick, you can use stick, but once Garri is fresh inside the agbada, inside the pan, don't mind me, so you need to control it with the whole of your strength. So stick not the reach to control it. You must need what we call ugba. So as I not see ugba now, I use this my carton constructant to ugba. Don't try me, oh. I'm just kidding, guys. So this one don't pack and put. If you never fry Garri before, at this point you better concentrate on that. If not, you go roll like egg. So now this very time you supposed put red oil. Normally how we do ours as speaking when grow for village, you pour the red oil inside that mixture. After blending, you mix it together before you press it to remove the water. But why going through that stress when I know say I won't use my white cloth to press the Garri, the cassava? If not, it go stain. So to avoid that, I use the red oil while it's like this. It's more harder like this, but trust me, any way shall work for me based on say you don't ready there for the blood, not be skin it day. As we are still in the process of frying it, based on say you want make it dry. Garri when not dry, now in they spoil after some time. The one went dry where for 100 years it go still there for your house, it not go spoil. Just listen to the sound. Almost here. or kene. If you carry this kind garri enter market, now you go the yanga on top your garri. No be say shoot bear mama fly. No sand, no dirty, no kwene, and it dry well. You use and press am, you no go mold together. Anyway, just concentrate again. Make we repeat am one more time for people wey want try am out. Now, after you don't fry am, carry white garri inside pot, then add oil immediately. That oil no go mix together with am. I make you go first make the garri hot first, then put oil in between, gradually mix am together, then add more fresh garri when you see say you don't mix together. Guys, just take a look now. Take a look at this garri. The way it's garri. Look again. You put small white garri inside the pot. You fry am small, make it heat up. You need to dey hot before you put oil. Then put the oil. Immediately use your hand follow and do am twice. Mix am together. Once you see say you don dey mix 50%, add another more garri join am. If not, the one wey you add join am, e no go mix together with the oil. It can't give you 3 different color. Now take a look at how blended this garri is. At this point, guess what? Baby girl have to clean because everywhere was giving village kitchen where they for fried garri. And I don't want that. So we don't do clean finish. I come natural, but it just a sweet me, guys. I know you might not like it, but I do, and I'm so happy with it. Bye, guys.